Hello, what was that? Like, I'm just clapping you guys in. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Name is Christina Angelina. If you are new here, please do not forget to click subscribe, click the like, and send me a comment down below. So let's get into it. Now, I just posted an Ikea vlog, Ikea shop with me. That one was super long. It's like 19 minutes. So this is probably going to be like a part 2 because I'm not going to be able to keep your attention all that time. So I figured I'd show you in a separate video what I actually purchased from Ikea. So I'm just going to start pulling them out the bags. Like, I haven't even gone through anything yet. The only thing, I'm going to save it for last. But let's just get on with it so we can have like a decent timed video here. So the first thing that I'm going to show you are these containers because they're just at the top of the bag. So these containers I purchased for the kids because they're super convenient. Mia likes to organize her Barbie accessories in here, so like shoes, purses and necklaces and dresses, and they all go in here. And then I'm sure my son Noel will find a good use of this one. So I like that they're stackable, and they're just, I'm trying to keep these children organized because I need them to follow suit. Okay, next up I got the bags. I've seen these, I don't know if I've seen these exact ones all over like Pinterest or IG, but I figured I'd get them because they'd be good for like photography props, which I feel like is giving me an excuse to buy everything and anything that's like really cute, because I can use it for my photography. So I got these bags. It is a set of 2. I'm trying to open it up for you. And this is the small one. These tags are so easy to just rip off. Watch me say that and now I can't get them off. Oh, there you go. And then at the same time, I thought this is kind of cute, like a purse or something. This is the bigger one, or to go to the beach with. Oof, that's a lot of dusties. Just to go to the beach with, I think this is pretty cute. Or if you wanted to hold your produce in here, like have a cute little moment on the side by the kitchen and just have your like apples and oranges or whatever fruits and just have them hanging. I think that's a great kind of like storage idea because you're not taking up any counter space. So those are multi-use. Next is chocolate. They have the best chocolate ever, and I like dark chocolate. I never used to like dark chocolate, but now I do, and especially because I know it's healthier than regular chocolate, so it's like I get to get away with eating chocolate. But you guys have to try their chocolate. They have this one, milk chocolate. They have the hazelnut one. They're so bomb, and they're like super cheap. I got these frames. I don't really have a use for the frame. I actually purchased these for the glass. It's not glass, it's plastic. It's whatever covers the picture once you put it in. That stuff I like buying from frames like this because I actually use it for photography. So if you've seen those smears or swatches, this is what I like to do it on. I do try to purchase sleeves and stuff like that, but they're always out of stock because everyone's using them as shields for their masks or, you know, face shields because of Corona. So your girl has to get frames. These are smaller, like rectangular mirrors. Again, I brought these for photography purposes. This obviously can work. Now, I know I say photography, but if you guys are really into Flatlays and stuff, this was only a couple dollars. I'll probably insert the price here, but you can lay your products on here. I've seen some TikTok hacks. I'm on the floor sitting like crisscross applesauce and my legs are killing me. If you've seen TikTok, you've seen people like slide mirrors under their laptops or under the screen and then have like a cloud image on the screen so it reflects on here, and then you put your products and it just looks really, really pretty and cute, and I thought I would give it a try. So I had to pick some of these up. Now this, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. I kind of grabbed it, threw it in the cart, forgot about it, and then next thing I know it was like on the conveyor belt and being like priced, you know, not priced, but you know, rang up. So I saw this on their website, right? I'm gonna show you a picture. Now it looks pretty big. I didn't look at the dimensions, but I saw it in the store. It was the only one there, and I grabbed it and I was like, oh, it's pretty cute. But I was like, I remember the price being a little bit too much for this little thing. Now it is a dog bowl, dog dish, and it's supposed to be reversible, but the bottom is not cute. It's not pretty. It looks like the bottom. It doesn't look like, oh, okay, now it's flipped over. It still looks as nice as this side, but I thought it's cute, right? To put on a coffee table, put on an entryway table, put on your vanity, and just to hold little trinkets or your jewelry. So if you're into that, yeah, but I just feel like it's too tiny. I don't know. I'm gonna mess with it and see, but it might have to go back because I do have some other things to return because they overcharged me for a couple things. Like some things were on sale, but they still charged me regular price. That's the problem of going by yourself. You have to like load everything on the, you know, you have to load, what's wrong with me? You have to load everything on the conveyor belt and pack it at the same time. Like I was not looking at the prices, so when I checked the receipt I was like, they got me. So I don't know. Then I got this. It's a placemat. I thought it was really cute. I think it's really cute to put obviously on the table, but I purchased this because I can do flat lays with this. Oh my god, this is turning into a what to get for flat lays at Ikea. Put some sands on this, kind of gives it like a summer beach vibe, and put your products on it. I think that would look really cute, and it stores like nothing. I could throw that anywhere. God, this has churned. This has taken a churn. I got these for two different reasons. These are like these heat coasters for like your pots and pans to put on the counter so your counter doesn't get ruined. I brought one for that. It's a set of 3, but the other 2 again are gonna be for Flatlay photography. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Like this is super pretty, and it has like this speckled like design to it. It's in off-white. It's just so beautiful to me, and I couldn't let it go. I know you guys saw it in the video. I was like, whoop, pop that right in the cart. Now thank god I got video because it said $8.99. I was like, $9 for this? This could be like in CB2 Restoration Hardware. Like this could be somewhere expensive, and they charged me original price of $12.99. Girl, I'm going back to get the rest of my coin that they owe me, but I thought this was beautiful. Now I did get the shelves. I'm going to show you at the end because I am going to assemble it and probably put some of the pieces that I got together so you can see it like styled, but this is going on there and it's gonna look fabulous. And I got some dried pampas. Oh, the vision. I'm gonna show you the vision. What else? Oh my god, I feel like I brought that thing. Then I brought this. This is a sensor for plants. It actually helps tell you if your plant needs more water or not. I'm getting a green thumb during quarantine. Like, did my lighting change? That's a problem. There's a storm a brew. Okay, so this, you stick it in. If it tells you you need more water, it lights up at the top. And if you need no water, like if you don't need to water it, then it doesn't light up. So I think this is perfect because I killed my last big Majesty palm and I was devastated. I did everything wrong, so I'm trying to do things right. I got candles, which again, these are for decor. I got them in 3 different sizes. They are non-scented block candles. I hate my lighting right now. And again, I'm gonna put these on the table as well, so you're gonna see these styled. I think they're just really pretty and cute and very, very affordable. They were like on the cents. Like I think this was maybe $2, but these were, it was change. So I'm gonna put that as well on that you know, table, shelves. I got this clock. Super inexpensive. It was probably like $3. I brought it because my son actually asked for a clock in the room, which I was like, okay, I'll put a clock in there. And when I put the clock in there, have you seen those clocks, mother hacks, where they color red portions, green portions, or like stuff like that? Well, I'm gonna label this bad boy, and where it lands at, you can't get out of bed till like 8 in the morning. Like, don't get out of bed before. Like, so the red is don't get up, and the green is you're allowed to get up. So you're gonna get a clock, all right. You got it. Then I got this little set for the plants because I've been using just a big old spoon from the Dollar Tree, but I thought it was about time for me to get like these little scoopers, just these tools, utensils, what have you, for gardening. Then I got this huge glass vase. It's huge. It's ginormous. It's just a cylinder vase. I've got some really tall faux palm leaves that I brought, and I was actually gonna like fake plant them in a pot, but I thought they would look prettier if they were just in something slender, because they're a little tall. So I will show you this. I'm not taking it out of the box right now. I'm not gonna struggle. I will show you that when I build the shelves, because it's gonna go right next to it. Last but not least, let's get on with it. I did purchase her. Her name is this. I'm gonna give her a different name, so if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. Yo, this light completely went bye-bye. But she's beautiful, she's gorgeous, she's stunning. She has one baby here, one here, and then there's actually another stem of her right there. She's giving me very tropical island vibes, and I knew I had to have her. Oh, you're pulling the blanket, girl, showing the background. I knew I had to have her. She's just beautiful, gorgeous, so she's gonna be starring, not starring, 'cause I'm the star, but she's gonna be co-hosting a lot of videos because she is just a vibe. And then I think that's it. That's all that I brought. I feel like there's more. Is one more thing. I brought this faux palm, so it's a fake plant leaf, but I thought it was pretty cute and I love the size of it. So again, Flatlays. Like, I love the shadow of a palm leaf over it. I have different ones from like Michael's and stuff, so I'm loving this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I've inspired you to go to Ikea. Going to Ikea was a breeze to get in. If you've got returns, exchanges, or the fact that I'm about to fight my receipt, I suggest getting there before they open, because that return line is cray cray and they make you wait outside. Yes, they do. And then they make you trickle in little by little. So just a little Ikea tip and advice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe, like, and leave me a comment down below which one was your favorite purchase. I think my favorite was her. Yeah. See you guys in the next video.